December 2nd, 1984. 3,000 people went to sleep in Bhopal, India. They never woke up. At midnight, a pesticide plant owned by Union Carbide began leaking poison gas into the air. 40 tons of deadly methyl isocyanate drifted into sleeping neighborhoods. Families died choking in their beds. Children stumbled into the streets, gasping for air that burned their lungs. Bodies piled up on every corner. But this wasn't an accident. Company executives knew the safety systems were failing. They had known for months. They did nothing. Pregnant women who survived gave birth to babies with no arms, no legs, some with no eyes. When arrest warrants were issued, every American executive fled the country. None were ever prosecuted. Today, 40 years later, the site still leaks poison into the groundwater. Children are still born with birth defects. The contamination spreads deeper every year. 25,000 people have died from that single night of corporate negligence. The Bhopal disaster remains the world's worst industrial catastrophe, and it was completely preventable.